To make a Trust Wallet in Treasure NFT, start by understanding what Treasure NFT is, which is a blockchain-based platform for creating, buying, and selling unique digital assets. A Trust Wallet is a digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies and NFTs in a secure manner. First, go to the Treasure NFT website and click on the Create Wallet button. You will be prompted to download and install the Trust Wallet app on your device. Once installed, open the app and click on Create a new wallet. You will be given a seed phrase, which is a list of words that you must write down and keep in a safe place, as it will be used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. Next, set up a strong password for your wallet and make sure to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. After setting up your wallet, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can view your wallet balance, transaction history, and NFT collection. To connect your Trust Wallet to Treasure NFT, go to the Treasure NFT website and click on the Connect Wallet button. Select Trust Wallet as your wallet provider and follow the prompts to complete the connection process. Once connected, you can browse the Treasure NFT marketplace, buy and sell NFTs, and participate in auctions. When making transactions on Treasure NFT using your Trust Wallet, make sure to double-check the transaction details, including the recipient's address, the amount of cryptocurrency or NFT being sent, and the transaction fees. It is also important to keep your Trust Wallet and Treasure NFT account up to date, as updates often include security patches and new features. Best practices for using your Trust Wallet on Treasure NFT include keeping your seed phrase and password safe, enabling two-factor authentication, and regularly monitoring your account activity for any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and effectively use your Trust Wallet on Treasure NFT to buy, sell, and store unique digital assets.